power, OS and battery. The Samsung Galaxy A8 comes with an octa-core Exynos 7885 chipset and 4GB of RAM, giving you a decent slug of power under the hood. During our brief time with the handset, we found that it wasn't the snappiest performer for general navigation, multitasking and app opening speeds, but it may not be final software and we hope it gets a boost before it comes to market. It's in charge of running Android 7.1.1 Nougat, which isn't the latest version of Google's operating system, and that's a real shame as Android 8 Oreo has been out for several months now and rivals are launching phones with it on. The likelihood is that the Galaxy A8 will be upgraded to Oreo later this year, but it's disappointing it's not launching with it. Meanwhile, the battery is a reasonable size at 3,000 mAh, which is the same size as the power pack found inside the Galaxy S8. We are hoping that the Galaxy A8 will offer a similar full day of use from a single charge, but you'll have to wait for our full review to find out if it does. Early verdict. The Samsung Galaxy A8 is a solid smartphone. While it doesn't break any new ground in terms of technology, it has a solid feature set and a premium look which may well tempt those looking for a high-end handset but can't stretch to the price tag of the Galaxy S8. Whether it does enough to compete with the cut-price flagships of the OnePlus 5T and Honor View 10 remains to be seen though, and the final price of the Galaxy A8 will likely determine whether it sinks or swims.